Welcome back to Lemon or Lime. Today we're going to talk about something really important, and that is organizing your meds. When you have so many things you have to take each and every day, and they don't fit in something like this, or this, or this, it can get pretty frustrating. So I would like to share with you 2 methods I use to organize everything. This will be a 2-part video. This video will explain the timesheet method, and the next video will explain the board method. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is lay everything out in front of me, and that includes any special instructions given to you by your doctor. The second thing I do is write the dosages right on the bottle with a Sharpie. Here's an example of how I write the dosages. For Beck, I have to take 2 tablets with food twice a day. So I write 2 tabs 2 times /day, which means per day. Then I write with food. For Radiohead, I have to take 1 capsule before each meal 3 times a day. So I write 1 cap 3 times and write before meals so I don't forget. The Beatles have to be taken at 4 specific times during the day. So I write the times and doses on the back of the bottle. Once I finish writing the dosages on each bottle, I then turn to my schedule or timesheet that I created. I recommend filling the timesheet first with meds you know you have to take at a certain time. So here you see I have to take Blondie with meals twice a day. I decide to take this medicine at breakfast and lunch. Once I have Blondie in my timesheet, I put the bottle aside. Then you see I have to take Incubus first thing in the morning, and I can't eat for 30 minutes. I decided to put Incubus at 7:30 a.m. each day. The dose for each medication is on each bottle, but if you find it helpful to write the dose or any special instructions on the timesheet itself, go right ahead. Anything revolving around food, whether it's meds that need to be taken with food, 15 minutes before food, or an hour after food, add these to your timesheet based on when you typically eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. I will put a link down in the description for you to download my timesheet for free. If you have any questions, please utilize the comment section below. Be sure to check back to Lemon or Lime for part 2 of organizing your meds. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lemon or Lime content.